Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to verify a domain name on Google Search Console. So here I have a Google website that I was editing, and now I'll try to add a domain pretty quickly. Click on the settings icon here, click on custom domain, click on start setup. Now here I have a custom domain that I purchased on Namecheap. I'll just go ahead and copy it here and then paste it. And then I need to verify my ownership here. And it'll open up the Google Search Console in order to verify ownership of the domain. And here I'll choose domain, click on continue. And now here I need to verify this domain name, add a TXT record to the DNS records of my domain name. So go back to Namecheap, click on manage next to the domain name. And now here click on advanced DNS. And here I need to add a new record. And now I'll just select TXT record. Now the value, I should go ahead and copy this value back here, paste it right in the value. Okay, and then just save the changes. Okay, the host name, we'll just leave it as @ and then add the DNS record. And now the DNS record is added. Back to Google Search Console, then verify. The problem is that sometimes it might take up to 24 hours for the DNS record to fully be verified and fully be active on the domain's DNS settings here. So make sure you wait a couple of hours and then try it again. However, this is the method here. So if I click on verify later, as you can see, if I go to Google Search Console and then go here to search property, as you can see, the domain name is added. However, if I click on it, I go to the same screen and here it is. The ownership is now auto-verified. So as I told you, you might need to wait for a couple of hours, or in this case, in the case of this video, a couple of minutes. And now the domain is verified on Google Search Console.